Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. As you can see, it is the distress butterfly looks. Yes, that's what I'm going to be doing. Please like, share, subscribe, and remember to tell a friend to stop by and watch my video. As you can see, I've started separating the hair, making those parts. I'm not going to be doing any specific parting. I'm just going to be sectioning the hair, just making sure the part is neat, and I'm using my jam to do that. And I'm just going to be plaiting from the root and then twist at the end for most, and then for some I'm just going to be plaiting it out straight to the end. So basically here I'm unraveling the hair. It came twisted in the back, so I'm separating the hair to get that distress look, pulling through with my crochet needle. As you can see the difference, it's more fluffy. One side supposed to be shorter. You put the shorter side to the length as how you desired for your locks to be, and the next side to be longer. And I'm securing the root. I'm wrapping the root about 3 times, and then I'm going to be start creating that distress look. I'm using my thumb to take out some of the hair, secure with a few wraps, and then loosen my finger, then go again, create a few wraps, wrap it around my thumb, create few more wraps. Basically it's the same procedure, you keep repeating it depending on how distressed you want the hair to look. That is how much time you're going to be using your thumb. You're going to be actually putting the hair over the thumb. The least amount of time you do that, the least distress you're going to be getting. Okay, to secure the end of the hair, when you get the desired length you want, you go upwards with the remainder of the hair. You could take it piece by piece and just bring it up the opposite direction, wrap it around till it's lost, or you could take all at once and just wrap it upwards and then wrap it until it's lost. Or you could take glue. Some people use glue to protect the end after they finish wrapping. Some people burn the end. I just take it piece by piece, wrap it upwards, and that's it. I feel it is secured. Hope this video was self-explanatory enough. All you have to do is just keep on repeating the same method over and over again, making sure the end is secure by wrapping the ear upwards. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you do learn from this ear tutorial. Until next time, just go and big up on yourself.